everyone, it's Rincon Steve. I wanted to introduce you to our next project. I'm calling this the Auction House. And this is an investment property that we got at an auction, and maybe you even saw the first walkthrough we had in a video that I posted. But we'll take you through this one here. Obviously, as an investment property, we want to try to keep our costs down. But where do you draw the line as you get into some of these renovations? I have a feeling, as much as I thought this was going to be a simple project with just a little bit of maybe paint and cosmetic things, that we're going to do more than we think. So let me tell you a little bit about it. It's a small house. It's only 800 square feet, and it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and you can see there's some funky things that have gone on here that we're going to try to change, as most homes that go up for auction are funky. So yeah, so follow along as we do what we can to make this a worthy investment, and subscribe and pay attention to the videos that are posted, and I think you'll enjoy it. All right, take care.